Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from Hotel Management Department, RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today we are discussing about French classical menu. If we talk about menu is to compose a series of dishes which is identify the price of dishes and what are available in your hotel. And if we talk about the French classical menu, they have 17 course of menu sequence which are as Odove, Potage, Ouf, Farino, Poisson, Entrée, Sorbet, Releve, Roti, Legume, Salad, Buffet, Entremet, Savory, Fromage and desserts. And if we talk about till Odo to till Farinox, these are the starters. And we talk about Poisson to till Buffet foie, these are all the main course. And we talk about Entremet to till desserts, these are the afters, means starters. These are dishes coming in the starting of the menu, and the main course all are coming in the middle in the menu, and afters are coming in the last in the menu. We talk about Odove. Odove are first course of menu. They are spicy in natures and order to stimulate the appetite. The term expected as meaning of variety of pickled or well seasoned food stuffs. They are either served from the rotating trolley or a trolley, a small amount of each variety placed on the plate to make up a portion. Example of odoves are beetroot, potato salad, tomato salad, fish mayonnaise, and Russian salad. The terms odov also covers all items which are served before the soup and usually known as odov is sustained. And if we talk about caviar, caviar is the sturgeon fish egg and all over the costly dish all over the world. And if we talk about potage, all the soups are coming under this course, whether it is hot or whether it is cold soup. Example of potage soups are tomato soups, collier soups, thick soups, or velouté soups, or hollandaise soup. If we talk about oops, all the egg dishes are coming under this. The example of oops are all the types of omelette, omelette ox tomato, omelette ox champagnes. And if we talk about farinox, farinox, all the farinox dishes are coming under this course, and we served all the making dishes are like Rivali and cannellini and gochujang. These are the example of farinox. If we talk about poisson, the methods of cooking and types of fishes used vary some extent but is normally as follows, like poached salmon and fried and hot shellfish, and these are the example of poissons. And if we talk about entree, entree means entry to the main course, and examples of entremets is polute sauce sessier. And example, if we talk about sorbet, because of the length of French classical menu, this course is consist to be a rest between the courses. The sorbet must therefore able to counteract richness, and dishes are already served and build up to appetite the dishes. Sorbet in this, the natural waters is basically served, or flavored champagnes are served under this sorbet course. So thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you. These